to launch.
Oh, look at the way these things launch.
SVJ who?
Oh, that SV is ahead of me. Come on, S. Here comes the SVJ now.
Yes.
I've got to go to you, Mark, first, because what happened to your launch?
I was slow then, I'll be honest. I'm getting married the weekend. I think I'm already in honeymoon.
Unsurprising, Mr. Lamborghini won the Lamborghini Aventador drag race. Did you launch the best, Jan?
I think so, mate. I'm laughing at Mark because it's not like Mark doesn't know how to drive his own car.
The SVJ was definitely coming back though. If he gets his launch down, it should play out like it should play out.
Can we get a playback on the launch? I think I might have got the better launch than Yanni. And plus that, an invoice is going in for a chiropractor. This gear change is breaking my neck.